don't hate us for this.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
We got a trailer. It's older. It's from 1984 or 1994. And you can see that it's kind of in rough shape, so we're probably going to redo it.
Yeah, it needs a little bit of work. It's a fixer-upper.
It's a fixer-upper, and she'll flip the camera around so you can see it. There's some moisture on this canvas in several places.
Yeah, especially around the seams. It's been held together with some ties. That's a lot of water.
Yeah.
Oh, and safety pins.
And the door's kind of out of frame.
Yeah, the door is a little out of whack. It's a fixer-upper for sure.
But inside, the cushions are pretty nice.
Now it's my turn.
They got this stuff on one side and Royal stuff on the other. They're not interchangeable. Not that they were. Okay. Those are the beds.
That's a stain that's gone to tear.
This is the back window. Same thing, we're going to replace all this.
Yeah, all of it's getting replaced.
And the side pieces were replaced. It had the stove.
Yeah, it has a stove. It has a little slide piece that goes out here on the side, which is that right there, if you can see it.
And then,
as you can see here, there is roof damage, but we're gonna fix that.
we already have a new fan coming.
Yep.
A Max Air fan and a Max Air cover. So that'll take care of that. And then we will replace basically everything, but we got a good frame to start with and good bones, I think. So we'll go from there.
Well, as you can see here, we're cleaning out the trailer of some of the stuff that was left by the previous owners, you know, spare tire, clean out the bags and stuff and pull the table out, and just so we can have room to move around and get everything out of there so we can clean up the inside and start working on it. But before we did all of this, we looked in the seats in the cabinets, and we found out that we have a 9.5 gallon water tank, and most of the wires and the electronic stuff is very out of date and kind of fried, so all that's going to have to be fixed and cleaned up, but it's just another thing on the list that we're going to have to do to this trailer, but we will get it done. Surely, slowly but surely, we'll get it done. This is what Aaron did when I went looking for a knife. He ripped the canvas off.
I gently ask you to leave.
Okay, he gently asked it to leave. Be careful.
And it's kind of stuck in here. Is that knife?
Yes, I do. Oh, never mind. Don't need it. And it is off.
You take that knife and cut this screw out. Just in case we have to reuse this plastic piece.
Cutting it free from the canvas. Almost done. There,
Okay.
free.
That works. I'm gonna put these here.
Okay, we found the second post to hold the extended bed piece for that side, and that's the canvas that we pulled down, and we just took the canvas frame for the inside out, and this is what we have at the moment. And Aaron is now running away.
No, walking away.
Oh, right, there is a difference. He walked away. I don't blame him.
This one.
What are you doing?
Getting some wrenches.
Okay.
Okay. This way, so we don't fall down. Okay. Then we need that. No, this is 12-volt wire. See? Doesn't matter because the 12-volt adapter on this is shot anyway. Okay. All right.
And right here, we're taking off the side bed piece that we were gonna leave off, but we put it back on later. But this is what it looks like without the side bed piece. Okay, now just to let you know, getting the title to this trailer took several weeks and at least 3, maybe 4 trips to the DMV. And we would advise that if you purchase from the Facebook Marketplace, please make sure that the title is notarized. It'll make it a lot easier. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.